Okay, so this is part 2 of this demonstration. So what I ended up doing is I finished this part, which is the staircase. I'll show it in a second, but I decided to skip the steps for now because I wanted to get to the closet. So the closet floor, the closet floor is piece 11. Then you put 36 and 36 and you flip it over. 13 is the gray one that shows the color up front. I'll show that in a second. So this is 11 flipped over. Then you put 10, 10, 12, and this is what it looks like. So piece 11 is there on the bottom with that 13, the gray one here, or the colored one. This is 10, 10, and 12, which is up here. And this is the closet. This is where the closet door is gonna come and close.